बच्चों, कैसे हो? आशा करती हूँ कि सब कुशल हैं। आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू टुडेज ऑनलाइन क्लास. So tell me, which lesson were we doing? We were doing Everest Mary Shikhar Yatra by Bajendri Pal. Before beginning, let me ask you, what incident took place in our previous paragraph? Yes, she met with an accident. That is, a big snow slide was there and Bajendri got under it. And their tent was full damaged. And it happened in the late night, isn't it? And she was rescued also. Now in our lesson, this lesson, to our previous, we go on ahead, we will see what all hazards she had to meet. Okay, so you have to listen carefully. We will continue our lesson, page number 26. I will read, you should look into it and try to read it. Okay. लोब्सांग अपनी स्विस चूली की मदद से हमारे तंबू का रास्ता साफ करने में सफल हो गए थे और तुरंत ही अत्यंत तेजी से मुझे बचाने की कोशिश में लग गए. थोड़ी सी भी देर का सीधा अर्थ था मृत्यु. बड़े बड़े हिमपिंडों को मुश्किल से हटाते हुए उन्होंने मेरे चारों तरफ की कड़े जमे बर्फ की खुदाई की और मुझे उस बर्फ की कब्र से निकाल बाहर खींच लाने में सफल हो गए. So in our previous paragraph we learned that they met with an accident, that is their tent was damaged due to the himpath or the snow slide, and Bajendri was under that slide. So let us see in this paragraph what had happened. लोब्सांग अपनी स्विस चूरी की मदद से हमारे तंबू का रास्ता साफ करने में सफल हो गए थे. When Bajendri and her team got inside that barf, that is ice slide or snow slide, and huge snow or ice was on her. During that breeze or wind or the snow slide time, huge amount of ice is coming. So she got under it, and now they are rescuing, others are rescuing her. So here who is that? Lobsang. Lobsang apne Swiss churi. Lobsang was having a Swiss churi, means the knife. So with that knife he was having a Switzerland brand. So Swiss knife, and he took it, and with the help of that one हमारे तंबू का रास्ता साफ करने में सफल हो गए. So he cleared the way of the tent, way to the tent, cleared the snow. सफल होना means he got successful. तुरंत ही अत्यंत तेजी से मुझे बचाने की कोशिश में लग गए. So he suddenly, or when the accident happened, suddenly Lobsang came, and with the help of the knife he started removing the snow, and then very fast, तेजी से means very fast, they tried to rescue our Bajendri and team. थोड़ी सी भी देर की सीधा अर्थ था मृत्यु. And if a point of late, or if it becomes late, a point, then what is the meaning? It means that they will die. See, the ice and the snow will be on the body, whoever is under it. And if we don't see, or if we don't do proper rescue work, then what will happen? They will be get inside that one, and they will be die. They will die because there is no air passing through it, through the ice. Ice is so cold, and under it means our body will be cold, and our temperature, everything will go down. So it is very dangerous to be inside the snow. So if late, if anything happens, or they become late, then what is the meaning? It means that death is there sure. Then बड़े बड़े हिम पिंडों को मुश्किल से हटाते हुए उन्होंने मेरे चारों तरफ के कड़े जमे बर्फ की खुदाई की और मुझे उस बर्फ की कब्र से बाहर निकाला. See what they did? They just dig the snow out. Khudai karna means dig. They dig the snow and removed all the snow. It was just like a qabr. Qabr means grave. So she was under the snow like it was a grave. So the barf had to be cut, and dig and remove it. Could be taken out from the grave. और बाहर खींच लेने में सफल हो गए, and they succeeded in pulling her out. Next paragraph. सुबह तक सारे सुरक्षा दल आ गए थे और 16 मई को प्रातः 8 बजे तक हम प्रायः सभी कैंप 2 पर पहुंच गए थे. जिस शेरपा की टांग की हड्डी टूट गई थी उसे एक खुद के बनाए स्ट्रेचर पर लिटाकर नीचे लाए. हमारे नेता कर्नल कुल्लर के शब्दों में यह इतनी ऊंचाई पर सुरक्षा कार्य का एक जबरदस्त साहसिक कार्य था. See, after got rescuing, next day morning, what they did, what happened? Suraksha Dal aa gaye. The rescuing force came. Suraksha Dal means rescuing force. And the date was 16th May. On 16th May, the rescue team came, and at 8 o'clock. प्रायः सभी कैंप 2 पर पहुंच गए. And at 8 o'clock, they all went to camp 2. When they were in the camp 1, that time slow slide happened, and then after rescuing, they all reached camp number 2. By that time, Suraksha Dal also came. That rescue team also came. Next line. जिस शेरपा की टांग की हड्डी टूट गई थी उसे एक खुद के बनाए स्ट्रेचर पर लिटाकर नीचे लाए. See, on the way, one Sherpa's leg was broken. What they did, they made one stretcher by their own, and he lay down on that stretcher, and he was brought down to the base camp. So whenever any person is injured and medicine should be given, they will be brought back to the base where doctor is available. So that Sherpa was brought down. हमारे नेता कर्नल कुल्लर के शब्दों में यह इतनी ऊंचाई पर सुरक्षा कार्य का एक जबरदस्त साहसिक कार्य है. Now see what Colonel Kuller is saying. According to Colonel Kuller's words, what is it? इतनी ऊंचाई पर सुरक्षा कार्य का एक जबरदस्त साहसिक कार्य है. At this height, the साहसिक कार्य means it is a brave attempt of rescuing. Suraksha Karya means rescue work. This is a dangerous thing, and bravely they did the work and rescued Baijendri and team, and this is the most sahasik means bravery, brave thing to be done at this height. Now next paragraph. सभी 9 पुरुष सदस्यों को चोटों अथवा टूटी हड्डियों आदि के कारण बेस कैंप में भेजना पड़ा। तभी कर्नल कुल्लर मेरी तरफ मुड़कर कहने लगे, क्या तुम भयभीत थी? जी हाँ। क्या तुम वापस जाना चाहोगी? नहीं, मैं बिना किसी हिचकिचाहट के उत्तर दिया। See, after seeing all this dangerous thing, now Baijendri got little bit fear. So Colonel Kuller is asking her, Sabhi 9 purush, how many men were there? 9 men were there. चोटों अथवा टूटी हड्डियों के कारण बेस कैंप में भेजना पड़ा. So most of the men, that is 9 men, got injured, and because of the broken bones, they had to send back to the base camp. That time Colonel Kuller is asking, looking towards her. What did he ask? मेरी तरफ मुड़कर कहने लगे, क्या तुम भयभीत थी? Are you scared or are you afraid? जी हाँ. Then Baijendri said that, yes, of course. क्या तुम वापस जाना चाहोगी? And then Colonel Kuller asked, do you want to go back? Then what Baijendri said? नहीं, मैं बिना हिचकिचाहट के उत्तर दिया. Then Baijendri said, without hesitating. Hichkichahat means hesitating. So without hesitating, Baijendri said that, no, I don't want to go back. Next page. जैसे ही मैं साउथ कोल कैंप पहुंची, मैंने अगले दिन की अपनी महत्वपूर्ण चढ़ाई की तैयारी शुरू कर दी. मैंने खाना, कुकिंग गैस तथा कुछ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर इकट्ठे किए. जब दोपहर 1:30 बजे बिसा आया, उसने मुझे चाय के लिए पानी गर्म करते देखा कि जय और मीनू अभी बहुत पीछे थे. मैं चिंतित थी क्योंकि मुझे अगले दिन उनके साथ ही चढ़ाई करनी थी. वे धीरे धीरे आ रहे थे क्योंकि वे भारी बोझ लेकर और बिना ऑक्सीजन के चल रहे थे. See, now where did they reach? They reached South Col camp. And what Baijendri was doing, let us see. जैसे ही मैं साउथ कोल कैंप पहुंची, मैंने अगले दिन की अपनी महत्वपूर्ण चढ़ाई की तैयारी शुरू कर दी. So when she reached the South Col camp, what she did? She did the packing work or did the training for the next day's climbing. अगले दिन की चढ़ाई की तैयारी शुरू कर दी. She was trying to get ready. She was trying to get ready for the next day's mountaineering or climbing. मैंने खाना, कुकिंग गैस तथा कुछ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर इकट्ठे किए. So what she did? She खाना means food. Cooking gas, our cooking gas. कुछ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर, the oxygen cylinders. इकट्ठे means gathered. She started gathering the food, cooking gas and oxygen cylinders. For that, on the way it is needed. जब दोपहर 1:30 बजे बिसा आया, उसने मुझे चाय के लिए पानी गर्म करते हुए देखा. So by afternoon, दोपहर means by afternoon. 1:30 बजे means 1:30. Bisa came. Bisa is the name of the person, the two of their member in that team. In that team, one Bisa is there with Baijendri Pal. उसने, what did he see? उसने मुझे चाय के लिए पानी गर्म करते देखा. He saw her trying to boiling the water for the tea. कि जय और मीनू अभी बहुत पीछे थे. With her, Ki was there, Jay was there, Meenu was there, but they were back, coming in the back. They did not reach there. मैं चिंतित थी क्योंकि मुझे अगले दिन उनके साथ ही चढ़ाई करनी थी. See, Meenu, Jay and Ki did not reach where Baijendri was, and Baijendri started thinking, got tension, and she started thinking that why these ladies are not coming. Ladies and their teammates are not coming. She started thinking that one, and she got tension also. Chintit means tension. क्योंकि मुझे अगले दिन उनके साथ ही चढ़ाई करनी थी. Why she was tensed? Because next day she had to climb with those people. वे धीरे धीरे आ रहे थे क्योंकि वे भारी बोझ लेकर बिना ऑक्सीजन के चल रहे थे. Why they were late? They were coming without oxygen cylinder and they were having heavy load. They were carrying heavy load, so because of that they were coming very slow. वे धीरे धीरे आ रहे means slowly, they are coming slowly. बिना oxygen means without oxygen. So without oxygen, they बोझ लेकर means they were carrying load. So without oxygen, they were carrying a load and they were coming very slowly. So we move on to the next paragraph. दोपहर बाद मैंने अपने दल के दूसरे सदस्यों की मदद करने और अपने एक थर्मस को जूस से और दूसरे को गर्म चाय से भरने के लिए नीचे जाने का निश्चय किया. मैंने बर्फीली हवा में ही तंबू से बाहर कदम रखा. जैसे ही मैंने कैंप क्षेत्र से बाहर आ रही थी, मेरी मुलाकात मीनू से हुई. की और जय अभी कुछ पीछे थे. मुझे जय जनेवा पर की चोटी के ठीक नीचे मिला. उसने कृतज्ञतापूर्वक चाय वगैरह पी, लेकिन मुझे और आगे जाने से रोकने की कोशिश की. मगर मुझे की से भी मिलना था. थोड़ा सा और आगे नीचे उतरने पर मैंने की को देखा. वह मुझे देखकर हक्का बक्का रह गया. दोपहर मैंने अपने दल के दूसरे सदस्यों की मदद करने और अपने एक थर्मस को जूस से और दूसरे को चाय, गरम चाय से भरने के लिए नीचे जाने का निश्चय किया. नीचे जाने का निश्चय किया मीन्स शी डिसाइडेड टू गो डाउन. व्हाई एंड व्हेन दोपहर बाद, afternoon, after that, what she did, मेरे अपने दल के दूसरे सदस्यों की मदद. She wanted to help her team members because Ki and Meenu did not come and one more person was there. Jay also did not come, so she wanted to help them as they all were going together. So she thought something might have happened, so she decided to go down to help them. मदद करने और उनके एक and then what, एक थर्मस में जूस और दूसरे को गरम चाय से भरने के लिए. She wanted to fill one thermos with juice and other thermos with chai, hot tea. See, it is very cold there and every time hot tea and juice is required. So she wanted to fill her flask, thermos means flask, with one flask with juice and other flask with the hot tea. मैंने बर्फीली हवा में ही तंबू से बाहर कदम रखा. So बर्फीली हवा means snow, breeze was coming. मैं ही तंबू में से बाहर कदम रखा means बर्फीली हवा में ही. When the breeze was blowing, that time only she stepped out of the tent. जैसे ही मैं कैंप क्षेत्र से बाहर आ रही थी, मेरी मुलाकात मीनू से हुई. So as she was coming out of the tent, just a few yards she came. That time whom she met Meenu. She met Meenu. Meenu was coming up. की और जय अभी कुछ पीछे थे. And now की and जय was long back. Okay. मुझे जय जेनेवा पर की चोटी के ठीक नीचे मिला. She did not. Baijendri did not stop there when she saw Meenu and Jay. But what she did, she started coming down, and after coming down, she saw whom Jay, and where he was, Geneva's पर की चोटी में. So there is one more hill named Geneva's पर, and that on that place she saw whom Jay. उसने कृतज्ञता पूर्वक चाय वगैरह पी, लेकिन मुझे और आगे जाने से रोकने की कोशिश की. कृतज्ञता पूर्वक means by thanks giving or very respectfully. He accepted chai and all. Chai means he drank tea and he thanked her and he stopped her going down. But she did not stop. मगर मुझे की से भी मिलना था. She did not meet Ki till now. So she wanted to meet Ki also. So she did not stop when Jai told her to stop. She did not stop there, but she wanted to see Ki and then she started going down. थोड़ा सा और आगे नीचे उतरने पर मैंने की को देखा. When she started going down little more, there she saw whom she saw Ki. वह मुझे देखकर हक्का बक्का रह गया. When Ki saw Baijendri Pal, he was wondering. He was surprised. Hakka bakka means, this is a proverb here. Hakka bakka reh jana means by wonder or by surprising, stand still. So when Ki saw her, he got very much surprised and he stood there without moving. Now next paragraph. And when he saw her, he started saying this. तुमने इतनी बड़ी जोखिम क्यों ली बेचेंद्री? So what did he ask her? Why did you took such a risk to come down? Jokhim means risk. Baijendri, why did you do so? Why did you take so much risk to come down and to help us? मैंने उसे दृढ़तापूर्वक कहा, मैं भी औरों की तरह एक पर्वतारोही हूँ, इसलिए इस दल में आई हूँ. शारीरिक रूप से मैं ठीक हूँ, इसलिए मुझे अपने दल के सदस्यों की मदद क्यों नहीं करनी चाहिए. की हंसा और उसने पेय पदार्थ से प्यास बुझाई, लेकिन उसने मुझे अपना किट ले जाने नहीं दिया. When Ki asked why you did so much risk and you came down, then what did she say? She said, Dridadapuro means very proudly and very without hesitating, she said, very proudly. Dradhatapurvak means with a strong voice she said, मैं भी औरों की तरह एक पर्वतारोही हूँ. I am also a mountaineer. पर्वतारोही means mountaineer. इसलिए इस दल में आई हूँ. So I came to I joined this team. शारीरिक रूप से मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I am all right. Physically I am very much all right. इसलिए मुझे अपने दल के सदस्यों की मदद क्यों नहीं करनी चाहिए? Then why I should not help the team members if they needed? So I am ready to help. की हंसा और उसने पेय पदार्थ से प्यास बुझाई, लेकिन उसने मुझे अपना किट ले जाने नहीं दिया. So hearing this, की started laughing. उसने पेय पदार्थ से प्यास बुझाई means he drank some juice. पेय पदार्थ means to drinking things. He drank some juice, लेकिन उसने मुझे अपना किट ले जाने नहीं दिया. But he did not allow Baijendri to carry his kit. So next line, next paragraph. थोड़ी देर बाद साउथ कोल कैंप में लहाटू और बिसा हमें मिलने नीचे उतर आए और हम सब साउथ कोल पर जैसी भी सुरक्षा और आराम की जगह उपलब्ध थी उस पर लौट आए. साउथ कोल पृथ्वी पर बहुत अधिक कठोर जगह के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है. She met everyone. Then they returned back. थोड़ी देर बाद साउथ कोल कैंप में लहोटू और बिसा हमने मिलने नीचे उतर आए. So now they reached their coal camp, South Coal camp, and there Lahatu and Bisa. Bisa is and Lahatu the name of the person. So they came there. मिलने नीचे उतर आए. They had gone up. They came down to meet these people. और हम सब साउथ कोल पर जैसे भी सुरक्षा और आराम की जगह उपलब्ध थी उस पर लौट आए. So these people, when Bisa and Lahatu also came back, and now after meeting everyone and helping, Baijendri Pal and team reached the South Coal camp. आराम की जगह उपलब्धि means for refreshment, and they for that they came to the South Coal camp. And this South Coal camp, what is said, पृथ्वी पर बहुत अधिक कठोर जगह के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है. And this place is the कठोर means very strong, very hard. This was the place where it was very hard. It is known that that place is the hardest in the earth, or in the land, or in the earth. That much hard it is. That's why it is called पृथ्वी पर बहुत अधिक कठोर, very harder के नाम से प्रसिद्ध. It is famous in the name of hard place. अगले दिन मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठ गई, बर्फ पिघलाया और चाय बनाई. कुछ बिस्कुट और आधी चॉकलेट का हल्का नाश्ता करने के बाद मैं लगभग 5:30 बजे अपनी तंबू से निकल पड़ी. अंगदौरजी बाहर खड़ा था और कोई आसपास नहीं था. अगले दिन सुबह, नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग. At what time she got up? 4 बजे उठ गई. She got up at 4 o'clock. बर्फ पिघलाया. Then what did she do? She बर्फ पिघलाना means पिघलना means when the ice become heat, it will be melted. So she melted the ice. पिघलाना means melting. और चाय बनाई. Then she made the tea. कुछ बिस्कुट और आधी चॉकलेट का हल्का नाश्ता. She took some biscuit and half a chocolate. in the ice filled places, the people, what they do, there is no water facility. That time they will cut the ice and then they will make tea, because when ice melted it will become water. In Kashmir, where there is lot of ice fall and all, they take that ice cubes. Now our Bejentri, what she did, she melted the ice and then she made the tea. She had some biscuit and half a chocolate. It was her light breakfast. मैम लगभग 5:30 बजे अपने तंबू से निकल पड़ी, and after that at 5:30, 5:30 means 5:30, she came out of the tent. अंगदौरजी बाहर खड़ा था और कोई आसपास नहीं था. So she saw Angdorji there, and with him no one was there, and nearby also no one was there. Next page. अंगदौरजी बिना ऑक्सीजन के ही चढ़ाई करने वाला था, लेकिन इसके कारण उसके पैर ठंडे पड़ जाते थे, इसलिए वह ऊंचाई पर लंबे समय तक खुले में और रात्रि में शिखर कैंप पर नहीं जाना चाहता था. इसलिए उसे या तो उसी दिन चोटी तक चढ़कर साउथ पोल पर वापस आ जाना था अथवा अपने प्रयास को छोड़ देना था. सी, अंगदौरजी बिना ऑक्सीजन की चढ़ाई करने वाला था. Angdorji had not taken oxygen and he decided not to take oxygen and go. See, without oxygen if you are climbing it is very much hard and difficult. लेकिन इसके कारण उसके पैर ठंडे पड़ जाते थे. So without carrying oxygen what will happen? पैर ठंडे पड़ जाते हैं, means the legs get cold, and if legs are getting cold then physical problems will be coming. इसलिए वह ऊंचाई पर लंबे समय तक खुले में और रात्रि में शिखर कैंप पर नहीं जाना चाहता था. इसलिए वह ऊंचाई पर लंबे समय तक, so in the high area he did not wanted to stay long time. खुले में और रात्रि में शिखर कैंप पर नहीं जाना था. So he did not wanted to go to the camp also, because he wanted to make it fast. He was not carrying oxygen, and what was the problem without oxygen? His legs used to get very cold, and a long time he was not able to stay. And because of this reason what he had to do, या तो उसे उसी दिन चोटी तक चढ़कर साउथ पोल पर वापस आ जाना था अथवा प्रयास को छोड़ देना था. So what was it to be done? If he was doing like this, he had to go straight to the top, and then the day itself he had to come back. Otherwise what he had to do? He had to leave the expedition. As he was not having the cylinder, and for a long time he was not able to stand in the snow because his leg got cold and physical problems arise. So he didn't want to stay long in one camp, and for that what he had to do? He had to climb the mountain top very fast, and then the same day only he had to return back. If he was not able to do this, what he had to do? He has to leave the expedition. This was the condition. Next paragraph. वह तुरंत ही चढ़ाई शुरू करना चाहता था और उसने मुझसे पूछा, क्या मैं उसके साथ जाना चाहूंगी? एक ही दिन में साउथ पोल से चोटी तक जाना और वापस आना बहुत कठिन और श्रम साध्य होगा. इसके अलावा यदि अंगदौरजी के पैर ठंडे पड़ गए तो उसके लौट कर आने का भी जोखिम था. मुझे फिर भी अंगदौरजी पर विश्वास था और साथ साथ में आरोहण की क्षमता और कर्मठता के बारे में भी आश्वस्त थी। अन्य कोई भी व्यक्ति इस समय साथ चलने के लिए तैयार नहीं था। When अंगदौर्जी asked her, वह तुरंत ही चढ़ाई शुरू करना चाहता था। अंगदौर्जी wanted to climb that time itself. He did not want to waste time. और उसने मुझसे पूछा क्या मैं उसके साथ जाना चाहूंगी। And he asked if she is interested to climb with him. एक ही दिन में साउथ कोल से चोटी तक जाना और वापस आना बहुत ही कठिन और श्रम साध्य होगा। See, within one day to climb to the mount top and the same day coming back, it was a very hard and difficult task. Shram sadhi means it is very difficult. It's not possible. Shram sadhi means very difficult and not possible. इसके अलावा यदि अंगदौर्जी के पैर ठंडे पड़ गए तो उसके लौट कर आने का भी जोखिम था। And next one, if Angdorji's leg was getting cold, then what will happen? He was not able to come back. Coming back or returning back was a very much risk. जोखिम means very risk. मुझे फिर भी अंगदौर्जी पर विश्वास था, but still Baijendri was having belief in अंगदौर्जी, और साथ साथ में आरोहण की क्षमता और कर्मठता के बारे में भी आश्वस्त थी। And she was having a great belief in him, and she was not having any problem for climbing. Karmatata means she was very energetic to do the work. So she was having belief in Angdorji, and she was not having any problem physically, and she was a hard worker and energetic, and so she wanted to join him. Ashwast means she was not relaxed, because all that things she was having full confidence in her, so she was relaxed. अन्य कोई भी व्यक्ति इस समय साथ चलने के लिए तैयार नहीं था, and no one else was ready to climb with them.
So children, what did we learn today? We learned that Lobsang rescued Bechentri, and then what happened? They continued their expedition, and after reaching to the third camp, she saw that her teammates are lagging back. She decides to come back again, and she helps her team members. And after a while, they again came to their camp. Then she decides to move forward. Okay, you have to read this paragraph and find out the difficult words, plus you have to do your assignment. As I always say, today's assignment is you have to find out 5 questions of your own, and you have to write it. Okay children, so for now I'm signing off. I'll meet in your next class. Until then, have a nice day and good luck to you people.